Hey folks, this is Bill Riles, your friend. Just want to revisit this last video I did. Uh, if you remember, I created a simple circuit for you, which basically shows that it works right there. And I explained the other circuit before, but I haven't explained this one. So this circuit runs like this. It's running off positive here to this 220 ohm resistor, which goes to the red wire of the light, cycles through into the yellow wire, back through the orange, into ground. Now, there's a couple of things I wanted to show you here. The first thing is my on-off switch. Yeah, note it's off now. Now let me turn it back on. Now it's on again. There's another thing I wanted to show you here. Now these circuits, they're drawing current from the same source. If I can put this in here. I wanted to put this here to show you something. And it's not wanting to stay. Well, we're going to have to do this. There we go. I think we might be able to get it. There. Now, something I didn't notice the last time I did it, but it makes sense when you think about it, is watch what happens when I turn on this light. Just barely make it out. Actually, if I pull in a little closer, you can see a lot better. See that light I turn on? From this angle, you can't really tell from that angle because you're hitting it straight on. You can see from this angle, you can see it dim slightly. You can actually kind of make out the dimness. Every time I turn that light on, it makes out the dimness. And the reason for that is something I'll get into here in a bit. But for now, I just wanted to show you that. Now I'm going to go ahead and modify the next circuit for my next video, and I'll show you a series circuit. And actually, I already sort of have a series circuit right there. And that will go a ways in explaining on why that happens. But you can actually visually see it, and there is a yes, I did say mathematical reason behind that. And I will show you in the next couple of videos, forthcoming videos. The first one will be a modified series circuit, which is coming from, once again, my Arduino projects book. And I don't have it with me at the moment, so I'll show it to you next video, that book. And along with my modified circuit. And then following that, I'll show you why it behaves that way. These circuits behave the way they do. And with that, I hope you guys enjoy. We'll talk to you later. Bye.